Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Ink videos. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so you are going to need your literacy jotter and a nice sharp pencil. Okay, can anyone tell Miss Brown what special friend we are focusing on this week? That's right, ire. 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 Now this special friend is made up of 3 letters. Can you tell me what they are? That's right. E, and E. Ire. Now Miss Brown has got a word here with ire in it, and we are going to write a sentence about this word. The word is bonfire. Okay. The sentence is: there was a huge bonfire in the forest. Can you say that? There was a huge bonfire in the forest. Well done. Let's use our whisper voice this time. There was a huge bonfire in the forest. Miss Brown got a little confused there. Bonfire in the forest. Well done. Let's use a big, loud voice this time. Are we ready? There was a huge bonfire in the forest. Your turn. Let me hear you. Excellent. Let's see how many words are in this sentence. Let's count. There was a huge bonfire in the forest. 8 words, 1 sentence. Let's have a go at writing it down. What do we need at the start of our sentence, boys and girls? That's right, a capital letter. What do we need in between each word? A finger space. And at the end of our sentence, a full stop. Good job. I would like you to write your sentence down. On you go. Now, boys and girls, I know that you won't have written your sentence down just yet, so I would like you to pause the video whilst you're writing your sentence down. Once you've written your sentence down, unpause the video, because we're now going to go over our sentence on the board. So, the first word was there. There. This is a red, tricky word. Can anyone tell me how to write the word there? Well done. T, H, A, and A. There. Don't worry if you didn't get that one. It's a red, tricky word. There, finger space, was. This is also a red, tricky word, but we should know this one. Was. With. Don't get mistaken for an O. With a. S. There was, finger space, a huge. Now we've learned this special friend. H, U. Friend at the end. And G. Huge. Bonfire. Bonfire. Finger space. B. O. N. ire. Our special friend made up of what 3 letters? E, and A. There was a huge bonfire in the red tricky word that we should know, in the forest. Or, est. There was a huge bonfire in the forest. Is that my sentence finished? No, silly Miss Brown. What do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Let's check to see if we've got our sentence correct. There was a huge bonfire in the forest. I've got a capital letter at the start of my sentence. I have spelt the word bonfire correctly. And I have got my full stop in the correct place. Well done, boys and girls. Super sentences. I would like you to go on to do more of your ire words that you will find in your Google Classroom folder. Remember to take a photograph of your work and submit it to Google Classroom so Miss Brown can see all your fantastic work. Also, Callum and Alexander, you are reading chapter 3 of Mr. Cool. And the rest of the group, this is day 3 of your yellow book. Remember to do your speedy sounds, your red words, and your story green words, as well as your story. Okay? Well done, everyone. You have worked very, very hard this week, and Miss Brown can't wait to see you next week in her Read Write Ink videos again. Have a lovely day, boys and girls. See you soon.